Hi everyone, today we are making zucchini soup, a comforting, creamy and flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion. So, grab your ingredients and let's get started. First, heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil and melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pot. As the butter melts, it fills your kitchen with an amazing aroma, while the olive oil provides a nice balance. Next, add 2 grated zucchinis and 1 grated carrot to the pot. Stir everything well and cook the vegetables until they release their juices. This takes about 5 minutes over medium heat. Now sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of flour and cook it for around 3 minutes, stirring constantly to combine. Then add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 liter of water. Let it cook until the vegetables soften. Once tender, pour in 1 cup of milk and let it simmer for another 2 minutes to make the soup even creamier. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, dried mint and chili flakes. Stir well and let it cook for 2 more minutes. And just like that, our heartwarming zucchini soup is ready to serve. It's creamy, delicious and packed with flavor. Perfect for a cozy night in or as a starter for a dinner party. Give it a try and let me know how yours turn out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time on That's in Kitchen.